Homely Interiors. We design your world.
We recently bought this flat in the last year in lockdown, and obviously since we bought it, so it's kind of a dream house for both of us. So we started thinking about the interiors and the things which we really wanted, and we were very particular about the Vastu Shastra, and we wanted things accordingly. That's how we started consulting with interior designers. Like, we told them our requirement, and then I remember this name, the Amit, who basically came from Homely Interior, and I really liked his ideas, his visualization technique basically, and he always had some solutions in his mind, and he was very fast to get the 3D designs implemented based on that.
He is very patient and calm. As I remember, we got the whole day of him while discussing all the designs, and I have never seen anybody so punctual and giving so detailed updates about everything, the work which was going on.
So we basically wanted a TV unit, a sofa, but based on the Vastu Shastra, we also wanted to have a temple.
He designed it in a marble theme, which could look apart from our entire hall, and it gave us a spiritual vibe.
Yeah, and especially the acrylic zali, that
Yeah.
the way he used and the poles he arranged. I mean, it's fantastic.
The kitchen was an L shape, which I don't want it. I wanted it to be a center aligned one. I had a discussion with him about having a bar counter plus a kitchen in the gas hob should be in the center, and we come up with that idea to Amit, and he said, okay ma'am, we can do that. And other things which he has added, the loft and the shelves, all that he has done. Some are in hydraulics, some are open and shut. It's all good. I liked all the designs, all the ceilings, or all the paneling he has done is amazing one.
Yeah, so definitely. I mean, he included the breakfast counter, he included the dinings and bar counters. So everything that luxury, I mean, bungalow that can have, we simply have that in our kitchen. So that's what it makes our kitchen basically.
And that's the unique part of my kitchen right now.
In the children's room, basically, we wanted to keep minimalistic furniture or interior, you can say that. So we'll try to keep minimalistic things there, like a bed and a wardrobe, study table, or like that can be used as a laptop table or computer table. We really liked the idea of having the false ceiling with the four kind of wooden
A square
paneling,
which
right.
was dashed one, right?
We were very particular about the master bedroom. Since the lockdown started, we have been working from home, and we really wanted to get the professional working feel from our master bedroom. So we wanted two workstation, and obviously the other things like wardrobe and side lamps.
There was a wallpaper, and on that a frame was there. So we utilized it as using our marriage photo for it, and we created a big frame for it, and we implemented it. As there was no space for making my dressing table, so he has come up with tremendous ideas where he converted my workstation into a dressing table. If you look at the design, you will also like it. The girls are going to like it very much.
Amit turned our imagination into reality. It's today, if you look at around, you'll see that imagination, or I would say rather dream. The dream is turned into reality.
I'm happy that we are living our dream right now.
Yeah.
Homely interiors. We design your world.